think about what's happening today, we have entered a data era. We like to call it a data tsunami. We think the creation of data is unprecedented over the next several years.
At Tencent, we are dealing with a lot of data, and the customer data is more important than anything to us.
随着 AI、5G 等这种先进的技术在不断的演进和发展，数据更加多样化，数据的容量更加巨大。
We've truly become a technology company that uses data to make our business better. The challenge is making sure that that data is properly governed, managed, it's accessible to our users, and of course that we store all that data in a cost-effective way.
其中用于边缘和核心的是企业数据存储中呢，80%会用到 SDD 介质。
And our customers are really searching for an easier answer. How do they move workloads and data from the edge to the core data centers or private cloud out to the public cloud?
针对边缘计算呢，它在应用层面是有2个主要的职能，一个职能是收集和分析端设备数据，并实时的反馈。另外一个职能呢，就与云中心进行双向的，数据容量需求大，是流式数据，是偏重于需要容量价格比更高的 SDD。
On Tencent Cloud infrastructure, we use a lot of hard drives to power our cloud block storage, cloud object storage, and the big data platforms. In the cloud industry, actually, we really prefer to use a high-capacity drive because we can save on the rack space, and we can have better power efficiency, and that can lead to a much better TCO.
We've been crunching a significant amount of data to be able to create optimized delivery routes for each and every one of our service providers. We estimate that in any given year, as a result of using data, using advanced analytics, using prescriptive analytics in the way that we manage that data, we have been able to save in excess of $300 to $400 million a year.
We cannot service the needs of our customers with all of this data coming without continued innovation in disk drives and storage technology.
So I count on partners like Seagate to continue to bring innovative solutions to the table in which we can find ways to store, manage our data more effectively and continue to do it at an appropriate cost.
浪潮跟希捷呢已经合作了超过15年。浪潮跟希捷合作在产品SDD 上是非常全面的，大家有非常紧密的那个协同。
Seagate has always been a trusted partner to us. We are not only working on the hard drives, but we also design systems together that powers Tencent's infrastructure for internal services, also the cloud services. And for many years to come, we can see this trend cannot be changed. Hard drive is going to stay there for a long, long time.
We're the leader in infrastructure technology in the world, and we count on Seagate's innovation to help us and to fuel that growth in the future, and I look forward to it for years to come.